Here we got a 1964 Alfa Romeo Spyder Veloce. Veloce means fast, right? You figure velocity Veloce, right? I've never seen an Alfa Romeo in here, I don't think. So, I think it's the first time this car's been here. Beautiful looking car, man. See that? It's kind of like a dark gray color. Steel gray. Red interior. You got the ashtray there on the floor. See that? Big ashtray. 4-speed. This thing must be fun as all hell to drive, man. Here's your emergency brake there, the chrome thing. A lot of people don't remember those kind. We call it the hand brake. Actually, I like those kind better. Lose your brakes, you just pull on that thing. Remember that, doing that. So 1600 cc's. That's pretty good size for this car, man. Because usually these things are this small. The engine was a lot smaller, but you got to remember, if it's an Italian motor, it's probably, it's probably putting out a lot of horsepower for whatever 1600, for the 1600 size. This thing don't weigh nothing because you got no airbags in it or nothing, All that electronic garbage you put in these new cars, that makes them weigh like a tank. This thing was just simple. I bet they couldn't make them like this anymore.